Hello, my dear students. Today I will discuss about some short questions. The topic name is Ethics and Safety Measures in Computing, Part 2. The next slide contains some short questions and answers. Question number D. Choose the correct answer from the following options. Question number 1. Dash are programs or apps that simply display false virus alert and scares the user to install an antivirus into the system. The options are A. Scareware, option B is keyloggers, option C is intellectual property rights, number D is malwares. The correct answer is A. Scarewares. Question number 2. Dash is the act of taking someone's work and passing it as their own work. The options are A. Cyberbullying, B is hacking, C is plagiarism, and D is phishing. The correct answer is plagiarism. Option C. Question number 3. Dash is the act of breaking into someone's computer or computer network to steal another person's file or valuable information. The options are number A. Cyberbullying, option B is hacking, option C is plagiarism, option D is phishing. The correct answer is option B, hacking. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 4. Dash is the act of frightening someone using threatening means like bad words, bad language, sending violent pictures. The options are number A. Cyberbullying, option B is hacking, option C is plagiarism, and option D is phishing. The correct answer is option A. Cyberbullying. Question number 5. Dash is the act of sending unsolicited email to large number of people. It is used for advertising. The options are A. Cyberbullying, number B is hacking, number C is spamming, number D is phishing. The correct answer is C. Spamming. Question number 6. Dash is the act of cheating by using email to get a person to reveal their personal data. The options are number A is cyberbullying, number B is hacking, number C is plagiarism, number D is phishing. The correct answer is number D, phishing. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 7. Dash is the illegal downloading of software or files, games, movies, and photo editing programs. The options are number A is cyberbullying, option B is software piracy, number C is plagiarism, number D phishing. The correct answer is number B, software piracy. Question number 8. Dash are the works of mind such as books, films, inventions, and music that are owned or created by a single person or group of persons. The options are A. Intellectual property rights, option B. Software piracy, option C. Plagiarism, option D is phishing. The correct answer is option A. Intellectual property rights. Question number 9. Dash is bypassing the normal authentication process and gaining the access to the system in an unauthorized way. The options are number A, spamming, option B is software piracy, C, backdoor, number D is phishing. The correct answer is option C, backdoor. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 10. Dash is the right to protect our personal domain such as our body, home, property, thoughts, feeling and identity. The options are number A, intellectual property rights, number B, software piracy, number C, plagiarism, option D is individual right to privacy. The correct answer is option D, individual right to privacy. Question number 11. Dash are the traces or footprints people leave online. The options are A, spamming, option B is software piracy, option C is digital footprints, option D is phishing. The correct answer is option C, digital footprints. Question number 12. Dash are moral principles that the computer professionals and user should practice. The options are number A, computer ethics, option B, software piracy, option C, digital footprints, option D is phishing. The correct answer is option A, computer ethics. The next slide contains the next part of questions and answers. Question number 13. FAD stands for, the options are Facebook addiction disorder. Option B is Facebook Apple disorder. Option C is Facebook addiction distribution. Number D is face addiction division. The correct answer is option A, Facebook addiction disorder. Question number 14. Dash records all the keys that are pressed on the keyboard and sends them back to person who implanted the keyloggers. The options are A, keyloggers, option B is software piracy, option C is digital footprints, option D is phishing. The correct answer is option A, keyloggers. Question number 15. IAD stands for, the options are A, interconnected addiction division, option B is international Apple disorder, option C is internet addiction distribution, option D is internet addiction disorder. The correct answer is option D, internet addiction disorder. Students, in this session I have discussed about some questions and answers. Hope all of you have understand this part of the chapter very well. Thank you.